Welcome WBP Start. We continue with the second preparation of eel. The eel we cut and fillet, and then we make the form of the eel again. This we're gonna bake in some clarified butter. The eel is soft cooked on 72 degrees, around 20-25 minutes. The juice with green herbs. It's made, the base is a dashi from the bones of the eel that we smoked on the charcoal, and that we mix it with fresh herbs like the cresson, the parsley, the sage, spinach. There's a lot of spinach inside. Also some wild celery. Some citron, lemon meliss for the freshness, and it's a little bit colored. We put some honey, and we let it caramelized. Then we put some this is a juice based on soy sauce, but also with dashi inside, a little bit reducing. Some fine cutted shallots. A little bit vinaigrettes of lemon. And some cutted chives. So the juice of the green herbs. Some powder of seaweeds. Put the eel in the middle. So some green beans. Some gel of lemon. And some wild sorrel.